TOEFL Practice 1. Structure and written expression questions. 2 questions with answer explanations. Answer each question in 37.5 seconds. Direction for question 1. This question is an incomplete sentence. Beneath the sentence you will see 4 words or phrases, marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one word or phrase that best completes the sentence. Question 1. Direction for question 2. This question has 4 underlined words or phrases. The 4 underlined parts of the sentence are marked A, B, C, and D. Choose the one underlined word or phrase that must be changed for the sentence to be correct. Question 2. Answer 1. A relative clause is a type of dependent clause that modifies a noun. It begins with a relative pronoun such as who, whom, whose, which, or that. In this sentence, the relative clause modifies the noun phrase carpeting, draperies, and upholstered furniture. The correct relative pronoun to use here is which, because it refers to a non-human noun. The phrase all of which is used to emphasize that all 3 items, carpeting, draperies, and upholstered furniture absorb sound. Answer 2. Some verbs must be used with specific prepositions to form correct and natural expressions in English. This is called a collocation, a natural combination of words. The verb depend is typically followed by the preposition on, not of. The verb depend collocates with the preposition on, meaning to rely on something. Using the wrong preposition, like of, makes the sentence grammatically incorrect because depend of is not a valid phrase in English. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.